Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, आज video to health report hoy aru vegetables aru fruits e amak kenukoi help kore aru bemar hoar pora kenukoi bosai tare pora banaisu video to aru likhi desu point kita aru thank you for subscribe my YouTube channel to all of you aru etu video to bhal lagile like eta dia jen aru baki support kori joa jen friends. Let's start the video friends. First number point my friends, chuli aru salor karone tiho khabo lage. Number 2, kidney jodi pathor hoy kidney tete poka am khabo lage. Number 3 point, harot jodi problem hoy ta mane bonot tetia grapes khabo lage. Grapes mane angur. Number 4, diabetes hole kola jamun khabo lage. Number 5, mukhor jodi beya gundho lai tetia kesa modhuriam khabo lage. Number 6, breathing or karone piyaz khabo lage ta mane ukhani kar karone piyaz aru piles or karone poka omita khabo lage jodi piles hoy. Number 8, pneumonia hole tetia orange khabo lage komola khabo lage. Aru number 9 my friends, jaundice hole dalim khabo lage. Aru last number point my friends, hormone problem hole poka modhuriam khabo lage. Friends 10 point kuru aru video to bhal lagile like eta dibo aru fruits and vegetables बहुत important hoy manur body karone so khabo lage natural hoy baki start hoy goise video friends now at the video friends. Thank you my friends.